The funny body just a whine and a boom, 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 boom. So she can sing it and do her style where she do every blood clot show. That is the So Me Like It dance. She had do it for years now, but now we born on a chew it up and beat it. Oh, when they see people up and beat it, I watch Spice on stage and do that in her performance for years now, my general. Skill come and sing wap wap. Why him never sing Bama? With the Bama, 16 Bama. He couldn't sing 16 Bama. But on a 16 Bama in big tune, a wap wap. Not even crocodile teeth. A wap wap and big tune. So he come and sing wap wap. And he go out with wap wap. Skilly not go skin out in wall because wap wap never says skin out you wap wap. Him on a wap. Big gun tune. Brrr. Head shell out. You see pre? Mama song happened to be So Me Like It. It was a black hypocrisy. It wasn't none of the song them what you think of. I never none of them there. All of them get to come perform one song. That's why Pacha sing, I'm in a romantic mood. What Pacha biggest song? Romantic mood. Everybody get one song. Them hit song. Them big song. The song will push them. The song will push them to the ice blood clot realm. And So Me Like It was Grace one. Some of them don't like it with a Saigo. Some Me Like It was actually Grace song. What fear big tune. Everybody know if I go and Google it. Stop the criticizing. Alright. I reach the wish for me. Well, want to reach long time, you know. Auntie Foota, let me ask you a blood clot question. Look who suck with blood clot, girl. Lie down in a one bumbo clot bed with your big black ugly bumbo clot self-favor shoes polish with your mouth. A spring water like a blood clot fountain. He batty man. As soon as you get up, you dep on girl name. Like you're the biggest batty man in a dance hall, pussy hole. The amount of man who go up on blood clot BET awards. But you take up with the blood clot girl them because you are in a tracing with your big long stinking clit. We are come out of your stinking blood clot hole. As a big stinking now no blood clot name selector, barbecue and fish fry selector, batty boy. We are get 150 and 250 for bookings in a ladder hill. Bumbo hole idiot boy, we can't even fly go Canada for your blood clot show. Can't fly go England for your show. Shut up your bumbo clot mouth pussy hole. And lock your bumbo clot cesspool you have in your mouth, big pussy boy. Look like say you did one go set your mouth underneath Grace make she piss in it. He toilet mouth. You did well want open your bumbo clot, tumblebug, shitbug mouth. So she can come poop in your blood clot mouth. You well want Grace to see you so bad. Bumbo clot Grace see me mouth, you come poop in it. Grace come piss in my mouth. Every day you get up and cuss with girl with your suckwood self. Man, I fuck your big pussy think cold Foota. Nobody no bumbo clot like youngly rest of blood clot redundant waste them will follow back at you. You're one of the worst man them me see get up and talk. Only thing you have a problem with this girl. Friday sugar kill your bumbo clot like a dirty wood where you have underneath you. And Aisha no can tell you your name out the whole her pussy. You get chip out. Batty boy every day you get up and cuss girl with your suckwood self. Batty boy left right equal rights in girl to a equal rights. Every man will him say. Batty boy, you just want to see a man in a blood clot media if you start deep throat you hood down in your bumbo clot throat. With your teeth them spacious in your head in a bumbo clot. Go put on some braces if you ever one of the bumbo clot monkey them in a planet of the blood clot ape. Batty boy, you know see it? Look like you want man for ride you like bumbo clot out of pussy clot. Kill man a spark like your dirty ass them where you be, batty boy. All when Grace Hamilton no see you. Every day you get up with the woman name in your mouth. Because you look pussy for suck. Me understand say blood clot Grace pussy fat. And you would have one name out all of that. And suck you out from back. But your sister, the woman no want a blood clot low life bowers like you. Cock up your big stinking rotten cane foot them snoring. Nobody no want a blood clot advice from you pussy hole. Go and go work for your blood clot flying rights them waist selector boy. You know, sister, your money pull up groupie stripper bitch dog. A pay man you want beard you with bumbo clot money, but you have a problem with girl skin out the whole per stage. Why your blood clot it song? How them a invite selector and they never invite you yet? You have blood clot somebody? Go and go cuss with Joe and Baba Rich them want fuck your blood clot baby mother. Every day you get up and I make blood clot grace be a problem. And you now go control infestation what grow underneath your stinking hole. Boy, move your big clip where you have underneath you and wash out your big pussy where you have underneath your dirty girl. Every day you can open your big stinking pampas mouth like you want somebody to hold you as blood clot done. You're not done. I be a man you fuck and suck with batty boy. Balls juice, big pussy. You know see say your bumbuckler sugar kill you. The time when you get up every day a blood clot trouble girl. Why you not gonna take your insulin batty boy? Why you don't go inject the insulin in your thinking bumbuckler? Why don't you do that? You know, see, say almost a dead pan blood clot way. I have never seen foot that rotten in my blood clot life. If every day doctor did have to leak out my blood and I put back Batman blood in me that begs to move your insulin blood clot and go from here so. Every day you get up and cuss Batman one time, them have to put Batman blood in your fear keep you alive, bumbo hole. When they drain out that straight blood out of your bumbo clot body, I want Batman blood that them are injecting in your blood clot. That's why you see your body are going so pussy hole. You are going like you want go against the treatment. Take your body blood clot blood in peace. Look at dirty blood clot, rotten out, sugar infested body man. You need to go blood clot, find one cliff and jump off a pussy hole. If every day when me have to get up and I juke myself with needles so like a crackhead, more than blood clot vexed to. Pussy hole go drink some water and move your bumbo clot and ease up off a grace. Go clean out your big pussy where you have underneath you. The infestation and the STD them want to kill your stinking clit. Can't fuck no girl so you come and take it out on the world every day. Move with your stink deadwood. Can't rise. No girl no want you. Sugar kill you. Can't pay for your blood clot insulin. Barbecue DJ. Go and go suck out your mother and move from here so batty boy. Go from here so stink cold batty boy. You smell like when I pick them when me was a shit in when me a pitney. You smell like one latrine, all hog pen, bumbuckler, big mouth, batty boy. You feel a King Kong with your bumbuckler, big mouth. Boy, shut up your blood clot, abeng. Favor one of the shit bug them, where roll shit down blood clot gully. Go boy, your bumbuckler face resemble shoes polish. You fucking ugly. If I me like your mother, shut up your bumbuckler mouth. Because sugar could have never kill me and me make up nice. So. You're blood clot idiot boy. Go check yourself in a memorial hospital before you're dead. You fucking old drunk you. A rotten out in front of the wall of blood clot where every day you walk on talk. But Gallis Wednesdays. A insulin Wednesdays for your bumbo clot. All infestation to the earth. A rotten and a stink. Somebody pass you one day. Can't even smell the cologne by you. You smell like one mag. Because the whole of the rotten and the infestation in your thing foot them. All your toenails they start turn green. Boy, go cuss your foot them. I have a problem with your thinking foot them. Because all of the baby where you wrap up in a blood clot talk. Them the sheet they must think no bumbo clot. That the green blood clot toenail, your toenail they shape like a shade of Jamaica flag. Black, green and gold, you old thinking man you. Go and talk suck with batty boy and go from here so. Take out blood clot grace pussy out of your mouth. Every minute you have grace pussy in your mouth. Grace, put your pussy in my mouth and lick you out again. Just a lick out human batty hole so. Grace batty hole can't get a break. Every minute you underneath grace batty set your bumbo clot mouth. A tree move and go find something else do. And change the sheet them off of your thinking bed. You wrap up in the frozen bed. Women don't know who for blood clot bed that. Can't even turn on light in my people's house. Because you not pay a blood clot bill. Your name not even up on a lease in a blood clot job in a foreign here. Can't even rent your own a place in America. But you walk on blood clot size up with people. Lock your little sugar mouth and shut your mouth, boy. Go drink some water, eat some sink Bible and them thing there. And calm down your blood clot and foot them bumble hole. Somebody need to take you and make a glass of rum out of your pussy hole with your rotten key and foot them. Go suck out your mother because Grace now see your body, boy. You don't see nobody now use you. Go and play your little barbecue or your little fish fry them. Bumble clot, idiot house selector. That you come to Florida Compton. Nowhere else no one see you look a bumble clot body boy you. Go along about your business and go focus for your traveling rights. You look enough black bean and shit you. Look like you sitting there where them put blood clot flowers in a bumble clot flower spot you. Fucking bitch. I don't like you. All the time you get up and talk about Grace and Grace now use you. Brother, if you want your mouth Grace pussy, ask now man. Ask for your mouth Grace pussy. Like a regular bitch. Other bitches, I go say what other bitches need to say. Bitch, open your mouth, bitch. Bitch, open your mouth, bitch. Bumbo clot do the bitch ya. Tile it mouth. Your mouth shaped like one blood clot. Tile it. I just hope me lid and lock it back. Your mouth think like bumbo clot hog pen. Lock your bumbo clot latrine, boy. Every day you get up with your big bumbo clot over sissy self. Yeah, sissy. You's a blood clot, sissy. Bumbo clot. Piss pot and all shit pot. You know come off a film book. You know that from the longer out there.